Hello, my dear friend. I hope you are well, and I am also fine. Today, our topic is doctor full form. Today, we learn doctor full form, and it is very essential in our life to know the real meaning of the doctor full form because in our practical life we have to go to the doctor to take some service. Okay, without much delay, let's get started. Doctor. D means deep feeling. ডি অর্থ হচ্ছে গভীর অনুভূতি। ও means observing eyes, পর্যবেক্ষণ চোখ। সি means caring heart, means যত্নবান হৃদয়। টি means trained hand, অর্থ প্রশিক্ষণপ্রাপ্ত হাত। ও means open minded, অর্থাৎ খোলা মনের অধিকারী। and আর means real human, means প্রকৃত মানুষ। My dear friend, so we should respect the doctors in our life. Thanks a lot.